Hi everyone, in this session I'm going to show you how to receive the asset item. As you have created the PO for the vendor to deliver the asset items to your location, now the vendor has delivered the goods to your location. Now in order to receive that, you have to go to procurement, item receipt, click on item receipt, then system will open the entire item receipt transactions which were created earlier. Click create new. So once you click on create new, system will open the item receipt form. So now here you have a purchase order field. Select the respective purchase order against which the items needs to be received. So upon selecting the purchase order, all the vendor information is being selected automatically. And then it shows the two items. So here quantity is 1 because asset cannot be more than one quantity and it cannot be repurchased also. So now I'm receiving these both the assets, assuming that my vendor has delivered me 2. And now you have to select here the location. This location is quite important because this is a location where the stock will be shown. So now let's say I'm selecting some test 2 location and here I'm selecting some central warehouse. So click on add. So once you click on add, the assets are received now. So click on view. So now you can see that. Go to report section. You have ledger posting. These are debited. These ledgers are nothing but which are linked to the asset while creating them. So it will debit the asset ledger linked to the asset item. And at the same time, it is using this purchase expense to clear as a clearing account. When you make the purchase invoice for these assets, this ledger will be 0 at the end. And even you can see the stock movement of these assets. 2 assets are received in this location. Thank you.